And welcome back to Taslima Maya Art, my friends. I hope you're doing well. And today on the Creative Art Collective, I'm super excited to be doing the Blindfold challenge, and I'm going to be doing my first acrylic pour in a while. I hope you enjoy it. My children, Safi, age 7, and Sara, age 5, are going to guide me through this event, and we'll see what we come out with at the end. Hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone, and I just want to say welcome back. I'm doing a different kind of pour today with my two daughters. One who is, how old are you, Sophia?
7.
And how are you, Sara?
5.
5. Okay, so Sophia and Sara are going to join me because this is a blindfold challenge. I'm going to use this as my blindfold because it's quite thick and easy to put around my eyes. I'm not going to be able to see what I'm doing. My children are going to actually guide me verbally. Aren't you?
Yeah.
So let's tell them what we're starting with. We've got this lovely
Canvas.
hexagonal canvas. It's quite small. It was £3 from the works, which is
We
really
got
good
some
value.
paint.
You got some acrylic paints. Yay! Let's see.
And me.
Oh yes. So what colours have we got? So you tell them the colours one by one.
Iridescent green yellow,
So
which
we've
is this colour. Iridescent
Yes.
copper.
Iridescent copper. Let's see that one. Here it is. It's got a nice consistency. I've mixed it up with a weight troll, which is a flow troll from the UK and the EU, and it's a nice consistency there, which is pourable about 2 second
and
trace.
we got a dark green.
Let's see the dark green. So this is the dark green. That says phthalo green, doesn't it? Let's have a
And
look
this
at.
is cadmium yellow medium. What does it say?
It says cadmium yellow medium hue.
Oh.
That's a strange name, isn't it? And any other colours? So you've done your 4 colours, have you?
I've got black.
Oh, we've got white. This is just normal white. This is just titanium
We need
white
to paint
from
over
Amsterdam,
here.
mixed with flow and this is actually a cell activator. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this or not. This is just lamp black, which is from Amsterdam, mixed in with Australian flow, and it's a very, very thin consistency, as you can see, very, very thin. You can see it pouring off the stick there. We've also got a few things like a torch and the usual stuff, a palette knife. I'm not sure I'm going to use the cell activator. It depends on whether my children can guide me. So what we're going to do is a little bit of a puddle pour and a tilt, okay? Something very simple. Let's see if we can do this. Let's just try and open this up.
I want
It can be quite annoying, really, trying to get the canvas open. Got one hole in there. So we don't pull up the side. Good girl.
I'll put a plastic here. One bit.
Yeah. Well done, Sophia. You guys taped up the back?
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Why do we need to tape up the back?
So does the messy.
Yeah. So we just make sure the edges, mostly the edges are sealed down.
Oopsies.
Perfect.
Yes. We're going to tell Mummy to put her base paint on, but first she needs to put her blindfold on.
No! Okay, I've got my blindfold on now, okay?
Are you peeking?
No!
You are.
I'm not. It's completely blacked out. It's jet black. I can't see a single thing. It's really, really hard for me to see.
How many things am I holding up?
One?
No.
I don't know, so I can't see.
10.
Okay. Right, okay, girls. Now it's time for me to do this. So I really can't see anything. So, oh my god, this is going to be so messy. messy. You might want to move that name thing away in case it gets covered in paint.
I'll just
Okay,
leave it up
put it on the floor or something.
Okay, put it on the floor.
Right, where shall I first of all pour? I don't know. Is that the right place?
No.
Okay, you can move my hand a little bit, or you can tell me right or left.
Stop.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, tell me when to stop pouring. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Is it pouring?
No.
No.
Yeah, it is.
When do I stop?
Stop.
Okay. Okay, and again.
Stop. Too much.
Okay. Where shall I pour next? Left or right?
Left.
Left. Okay, there. Shall I just go like this?
Yeah. It's easy. That's more better.
I don't know if it's coming out or even. I don't know.
It is.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh, okay. Stop.
That's enough.
Okay. So
There's actually
where do I
too
pop it down? Here.
No.
Okay.
That's in the paint.
Oh, okay. There.
Yeah, it's fine by there.
Okay. I don't want to knock anything else over because I can't see. So where's the? Okay. I got paint on my hand. I can feel it. Right. Okay. Right. What do I do now? Which side is the right way? Okay. Do I?
Yeah.
Am I touching the paint?
No. Yeah. Now.
Shall I just spread it out?
Yeah. Stop.
Oh, okay.
That's almost at the end.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. This is
There's way too much paint.
I can feel a little. We can tilt it off in a minute. I can feel some paint under my palette knife. It's soft. It's really nice and soft, and it feels really cool without seeing. I can really all my senses are heightened in my hands. I can feel something soft under my palette knife. It's like icing. It's lovely.
Icing.
Is it actually going on the canvas though? Because I don't really know.
It is. It's
Right, you gotta tell me which way, left, right, what way?
Left, left, left.
Is there any patches of canvas that's not got paint on it?
Left, Mama.
Left, okay.
More left.
Okay.
You need more paint.
Okay.
Good job. But you still need more up here.
Just helping Mum with your blindfold on.
I've got the blindfold on, but you haven't, have you? You're helping me get it to the edges, Annie, because I can't see nothing. So is it on the edges yet?
Not really.
Okay, I would give it a
Kind
second.
of.
All right, can I start pouring now?
Stop scraping it off.
It's all right. I'm sure it's fine.
There's a lot of paint, Mama.
When we pour the rest of it on, it'll be fine, I'm sure.
Your pots
On Mummy. Near Mummy.
Okay. Near my hands?
Yeah, so be careful. And pick one up.
Yeah.
Any colour?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what colour this one is. Is there a stick in there?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Oh, okay. No, it's all right. I'll hold the stick when I pour it. Right, where should I pour it?
To the left edge.
Here?
Yeah, over there. Oh,
No.
You're off the canvas now.
Am I on the canvas now?
Yeah.
So how much should I pour? A lot or little?
Yeah, on your left edge.
A lot.
Okay.
But I'll tell you where to stop.
Okay, that's fine. Should I pour bottom or top or anywhere?
Middle.
Bottom? Middle?
Yeah.
Left edge.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know.
Someone out.
Keep going, Mummy. Oh, stop.
Okay.
That's enough.
Is it?
Yeah, now next colour.
Okay.
We'll take the colours that you've
Thank you.
used.
Yeah.
Next colour. I'm going to end up in my hand in my painting.
Nope, not
I
there.
found one. I found it. Is there a stick in this one?
No,
Oh,
no
right.
sticks.
Okay, right. Let's pour this one then. What colour? I wonder it is.
By here.
Okay.
Not too close to the edge.
I think I'll pour this twice or something. Is it coming out or not?
Yeah.
How much?
Stop.
Okay. What should I do with it?
Oh, give it to me.
Okay.
And I'll put the colours that you've used over here.
Where's the next colour?
They're over here now.
Okay. I'll pour this one next.
Oh, no.
No. Okay, just start doing it on
I'll
the
put
side.
it near here somewhere.
By here. Yeah, stop. By there.
No.
No.
Ah, I don't know what I'm doing. My hand is.
It's right in your
Oh, is it too much?
Yeah.
Yep, too much.
Okay, sorry. I'll put it here. Is there another one by here?
Oh, let me take this.
Okay.
There's one more left.
This one
Yeah.
I think we might need a bit more paint.
might be.
Yeah. We might.
Okay.
Okay, now let's do it here. Done.
Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Coming out.
Yeah, tell me what's happening because I don't know. Is it enough?
Yes, enough.
Whoa. Should I put any more anywhere? Should I put some drips somewhere or?
Yeah, some drippies.
Okay.
Over on the other side.
Yeah.
No, I think I'll do it one side and I'll pour it that way. That way I know it's falling off
Yeah,
my
okay.
hands. Okay, might be easier than if I do it both sides. It'll probably go all over me. So is that on one side or is it in the middle now?
One side.
Okay, that's what we want. So okay, right. Alright. Do you want me to do drips all over of this colour?
Yeah. That colour and some other colours.
Okay, I'll squeeze
Can
it.
I do
Tell
some
me.
drippy?
If you want
Yeah.
to.
Not coming out.
It's not
Come
coming
out. I want to. Oh, can I do some now?
There's probably some spaces. If there's any spaces on the one side, like here or
There's
here.
some spaces. Can I do it
Yeah,
with the
just
red?
do it. Just go on. And I'm
gonna
not supposed.
do-
I don't think you're allowed to really do one, but go on. If you want to, I'm sure they won't mind. If you want to do another one, I don't know if it's
How do
what
I
colours
make
you want.
a little bit like
Ah,
that?
probably got paint.
How
on
do
it.
I make a little bit come out like that?
Squeeze it. You squeeze
Too
it.
much. Too much.
By here.
No. Yeah. Okay. That's nice.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What other colours can we put?
Oh yes, yes. Oh yes, orange.
Probably got too
I don't
much.
tell her which colours it is. Okay.
It doesn't matter if I know what colour it is, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how it's
Yeah.
going on or anything.
Are you
from the edge?
picking-
No.
From the edge.
Well, we can-
I'm cleaning it from the edge.
What can I do now? Do I have to move these now or something? What?
Tilt your thumb. You have to pick up your painting thing and tilt it to your right, not your left.
Not the left.
Oh, I feel the point.
Yeah.
So
The
I
point.
can.
Pick it up
Okay.
Now tilt it
to the right.
right.
No.
right. No.
Is that the right then? Yeah, that's the right. Is it okay?
No, nothing's moving.
Oh.
Put it more up.
Oh, I can't see anything. I can't do this. Is it going?
No.
Oh no, is it too thick, the paint?
Yeah.
Pink.
Oh my god.
No. Oh
Oh no.
no. Can I try?
Maybe you can guide my hand by holding my hands.
Oh no, paint on my hand.
Is it moving at all?
Yep, it is.
Oh good. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'll tell you when to stop.
This way or that way?
Yeah, this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Is it gone off the canvas yet?
No.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. This way or that way? Or should I just go every single way?
Every single.
Yeah.
It's so gonna go over my hands. I forgot to wear my I can hear someone cleaning. Who's cleaning?
Me.
You're such a clean freak like me. You're like, I can be totally OCD sometimes.
Sarah, can you clean my hand?
Yes.
I touched the paint.
Am I doing the right thing?
It's pouring off. It's pouring off.
Okay.
You
I can feel it on my
The paint
fingers.
is dried, so you have to wash your hands.
You've already gotten rid of all of the half the paint on.
No.
What, it's all falling off?
Yeah, all of it.
What?
No, Mum.
What? Oh my god, this is so hard with a blindfold.
Yeah,
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, down. Stay here. Stay here.
Alright, thanks for helping, Sara. Thank you, love. I'll just stay here, but I can feel it dripping in my right hand as well, but I suppose I have to wash my hands later.
Yeah.
I just don't want to make a
A
massive...
bit too messy today.
Is it going anywhere, or is it just... I think maybe the paint's too thick.
It's going somewhere.
Do you think I should do a swipe on it afterwards with the black paint?
Yeah.
Do you think that might look nice?
Yeah.
Am I still supposed to keep going now?
No.
Are you sure? What should I stop?
Yeah, stop. You want everything on your table.
It's alright, don't worry about cleaning it. It's supposed to make a
Press on
mess.
my hand.
It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna clean the rainbow mess. Wow, look at that. Let's get
I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Someone look at the painting and tell me if it's the right
Yeah,
way.
right.
Look at this.
Or this way, or this way.
Yeah.
Or that way.
No.
Down?
Yeah.
It made green. Wow.
Okay. I wonder what this is going to look like. Is it even look nice, or is it a big mess?
Big mess.
Good mess.
Really?
Yeah.
What, you can't see the colours?
No, you can. But it's a big mess.
What shall I do? Is it,
It's good.
shall I tilt it another way? Which way should I tilt it?
Yeah. You don't have to tilt it. It's good.
It does
There shouldn't be any white on it, really. Is there any white on it?
Well, there's kind of a lot.
Which way's the white now? I can
It's in the middle.
How do I get rid of it from the middle
I
then?
don't know.
This way.
Okay,
Sun.
this way.
Yeah.
Okay,
Stay. And a bit more this way.
okay, yeah, that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't do white.
Oh, I can't see anything, it's so dark. My finger's really covered. I need to wash my hands after this.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Oh, all of you got paint on your view?
Yeah.
Well, sorry, girls. You're not supposed to be touching it, though.
We're not touching it.
When can I take my blindfold off?
Never.
How am I going to feed you and clothe you and take you to school, then?
Oh, no, after we finished it.
Oh, right. I thought you said never.
Yeah, I meant like after we finished it.
What are you two doing? What are you cleaning for? Leave it. It's fine.
How do you know it's
I'll wash it afterwards. I'll wash it
How
off.
are you cleaning? How do you know we're cleaning?
I can hear the noise of someone scraping, like, tissue or something.
You're not scraping tissue. You're scraping. I'm scraping something from a Lego jungle thing.
Your Lego?
Yeah, I made a.
Well, why are you talking next to me and scraping? I can hear someone wiping something. You two are fibbers, I swear. I can tell you were wiping something. So you must be wiping the drips.
Yeah.
Why? Pouring is supposed to be messy.
Stop.
Oh, sorry, what am I doing? I don't know. You just told me to hold it that way.
Stop. Your whole time is done.
My painting's done.
Yeah.
Oh, can I take someone picking my blindfold off so I can see what it looks like?
Yeah. It's done.
Or someone who hasn't got paint on their hands because don't do it if you've got paint on my hand.
I need more. I need more
Ow,
tissue.
ow, can I open my eyes?
Yeah. Okay.
Wow, I love it. That's so cool.
Look at the table.
You said it was a mess. It's not a mess.
Boy, it was. I meant the table was.
Oh, don't worry about the table. Girls, stop scraping the table. Leave it.
Leave it.
Girls, the drips are going to go on you, so leave it.
No,
okay.
they
Oh my
won't.
god, what do you think of this? It's green
No,
and
don't
copper.
put your hands
I think it's
I know.
stunning.
I'm gonna wash my hands now.
I think it's super
know what you
pretty.
can do.
I think we need to get it off that edge though.
Mummy,
so-
I know what you could do to make it nicer.
Yeah.
So you could get a tissue and just start dabbing so it looks like an effect like this.
Yeah, could do.
You
I
could.
love this though.
Oh.
Sophia. So here's the beautiful outcome that my children guided me into making with the blindfold challenge. I hope you enjoyed that. I am going to show you some bonus footage that I decided to go ahead and swipe over the top of this. But in this instance, I wasn't wearing a blindfold. I was just having a little play afterwards. But I do think that's a beautiful background if I were to keep that, don't you? But I did want to use some of my cell activator as well, just for a bit of fun. And I thought I'd just include this footage in the video just for you to see what those cells look like. I do end up also blooming on top of this, and I kind of threw everything at it really, because I really enjoyed getting back into pouring a little, and I hope you like the ending. I'll play some music for you and see you at the end. And also do remember to watch everybody else in the collaboration. The Creative Art collaboration includes Patty, After Me, Let's Pour with Patty, and Casey from CWV Artistry. We are likely to be having a break after this week, so we're going to have 2 weeks where we're having some time with family and just switching off a little bit. There might be 1 or 2 videos that come out, or possibly not, depending on whether we get the time, but we'll see you after 2 weeks back here for the collaboration. So hope to see you then. Thank you for being here.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see